A 1985 graduate of Frostburg State University, John Macy has over 31 years of real estate experience. My goal is to provide my clients and customers premium real estate services, specializing in residential, commercial and land in Western MD, PA and WV. Very well-maintained brick ranch home situated on 3.42 acres in the popular Bedford Rd area, featuring 3-bedroom and 2 full baths, 2 wood-burning fireplaces, gas hot water heat and central air conditioner on the main level. The original garage was converted into a large main-level family room with main-level laundry closet. Lower level is currently set up as an apartment with a full kitchen, bedroom and rec room with wood burner in fireplace and separate entrance. Lower level carpet to be replaced in March of 2020. There is a detached 2-car garage with lots of storage space.